Oh snap. So, bike was sitting in the garage for a few months. This ballistic battery was brand new. Well, as of about 3 or 4 months ago, I would say. And it didn't have charge, but jumped it off. I was running pretty good. Got about a quarter mile down the road. That's why I'm breathing hard. I had to run back to my work truck to get my tools, because this thing started smoking. And I was scared this thing was gonna catch fire in my bike. And here you go. I had one before this, same battery, didn't have this problem. But this is pretty fucking scary, man. Bike just shut off, and I pulled over, and like, something's not right. And pulled it open and I saw the battery smoking. So I sprinted over to my house, got the work truck, some tools, ran over here and jerked it out of there as quick as I could. Hopefully it didn't do too much damage. I had a T from inside my truck. I used it to rinse out any of the whatever the hell leaks out of those batteries. I don't know if it's battery acid or what. I'm not sure about this tile. Pretty scary. It's oozing out of the bottom there, you can see it. Probably shouldn't be this close to it. Peace.